What is that one thing which makes a rider very upset? It's very easy. The sign, road closed ahead sign. Hello and namaste. It's me Chandra Fuyal from ChAm Riders, and today I am here in the Redwood Road of Castro Valley, California. Well, why am I standing here not riding my motorcycle? Because this road is closed for 2 years. Yeah, you heard that right, it's for 2 years. On January 2023, there was a heavy rainfall impact on this road. I have couple of videos on my Africa Twin because that happened before I purchased this bike and before the accident. The weather is really gloomy. You can see it's cloudy. Even it's early morning, it's supposed to be sunshine, but this whole week they said it's gonna be the rainfall. Also they mentioned it is one of the worst rainfall we are experiencing here in Northern California. And I'm parking from Castro Valley downtown right here, and yeah, you can see the clouds has already taken over the Redwood Road. Redwood Road closed that middle road away. Okay, let's see what happened. The road is closed here, and the impact of the heavy rainfall you can see here. People are doing some work, and this is a public golf course, especially. It's closed. Yeah, good morning.
Yeah, the line's up there.
Oh, the whole road?
The whole thing
Wow.
fell into the earth sinkhole.
Oh yeah, that happened to the A Street as well.
Yeah, but this, like this, but bigger. I think it's the whole thing.
Whole thing?
Yep.
Damn, I'll tell
We're
you.
gonna go see if we can find it.
Oh yeah, maybe I cannot ride, but yeah, have fun, man.
All right.
Have a nice day.
Have a good day.
All right, thank you. Be safe out there. Okay, here, let me show you the impact of the rainfall. I don't know if I can go there, but maybe I can take my motorcycle just right from here to show you what happened. This is literally used to be the real green grass ground for the golf course. Now it's piled up with the mud. I would never expected this thing to happen. Is it bad there?
Yeah, no, it's really close.
Oh, it's really close.
It's a fence gate.
Oh.
Cement. You can't.
So I need to return back now. It's bad. Oh, so the whole road is blocked. Like. Good morning.
Did you see the hole in the road?
Oh, heck yeah. I ran up to that.
How far is it?
It's, actually, it's from here, probably another mile, a little over a mile.
Ah.
Go, how'd you get around the
I
gate?
didn't. You actually just you'd have to look at your bike, go around the right side,
Mhm.
and then I would recommend you staying in the center of the road because you can see on your way up.
Cracks.
There's just a lot that looks like it wants to come down on the right hand side. You want to get stuck in that. And there's one place on the left hand side that looks a lot like I had a picture I took the other day.
Wow.
That looks like it could do the same thing.
Wow.
The one section I already did.
And I'm very far already. I'm already far from there.
Yes, you are.
Like,
Yeah, I mean it's one of those things where the human nature says I want to see it. So, so this is the video of it.
wow. Oh my God, that's.
It may not be able to play just because there's no signal here.
Uh-huh.
But yeah, so yeah, it's not unfortunately not going to play. But basically, this is about just about another mile up the road.
That's not far.
It's not. No, you can usually ride there. You just can't really get past. I would not recommend. I didn't even run because the part of the road that's still left is smaller than that section right there on the shoulder. There's more that's fallen down since I was here. I was here on Tuesday. I think more has fallen down than where it was when I was there on Tuesday. So I decided not to even get closer to the today.
It's bad.
You just know if something. I mean, it's not raining now. And it's
And it's gonna rain soon though.
Yeah, you just want to be safe. You know, stay away from the edges is what I would say. Stay right on the center line. That way, if anything happens to break loose, you know, you're not going to make a lot of impact with the bikes. And I knew I wasn't going to make it with the run, but there's no way a car should go there at all.
Oh, no motorcycle. That's what I was thinking.
Yeah,
Got
there's
it.
no way. Unfortunately, the other day a motorcycle could almost get around the barrier,
but
they
not
put
this
the
time.
fence up now to make it even harder to get around
Yeah.
it. But you can walk around it, and then you just have to lift your bikes over the
Fence,
bridge guardrail, and then you can ride up. I saw someone else riding down this way, and he didn't come back. So my bet is he did the same thing, and he had to go over the broken section because I haven't seen him come back.
Oh,
wow.
so
Yeah.
he did that maybe.
Yeah, it's a great display of Mother Nature, as is the fact that there used to be a golf course here.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm telling everyone right now.
I know.
The golf course look like,
The golf course that was.
yeah.
I'll bring it back.
They will.
People are crazy about golf.
Yeah, well, they're out there already. It looks like some into what is supposed to be the stream on the other side. Yeah, yeah. They'll get it back. All right.
Have a nice day. Thank you. Stay safe. I will walk. That's not a big deal. A mile. It's good for our health. Alright, just showed us some pictures and videos, and I'm hoping that I can get through there and show you guys the real deal what happened. So let me go. I'm just a mile away from here, so I think I can walk the mile. 1600 meters. That's not a big deal. You know what happens when mother gets angry. That's actually what happened here. Mother Nature got angry and she spilled us with water out here. Breeze is closed, totally blocked out. And I was here last week, only last week I was here to take a video of my motorcycle, but now you can see it's not even good enough to, like, you cannot go. Okay, that place, it was not like that. And this river, oh, do you think like it's tilted, the breeze? See, still the more water is coming out from there. One impact is out here. Landslide. This might be the next one. Not sure. It looks like pretty ready to fall down. But I think we're near to see the sinkhole out here. Oh my God. Guys, it's Saturday and this used to be one of the busiest road because most of the motorcycle riders or car racers, they used to come down here riding their motorcycle. And Saturday weekend, oh, usually you'll see like lots of motorcycle riders. But due to this thing right here, I cannot go that near. Due to this sinkhole, the whole road is blocked and the whole road is closed. Oh my god, look at this sinkhole. Damn, that's really bad. Oh my goodness, it's not good at all. Oh my god. And the lady mentioned don't go past over this side. Looks like the impact came from this side, and I mean it's collapsed. Look at this. Okay, this is the impact of heavy rainstorm. I'm here standing right at Redwood Road, one of the famous motorcycle riding destination. Don't know how long it's gonna take to build it now, but it doesn't look safe now. Can't even imagine this thing happened. It doesn't look safe to ride motorcycle out here because there is no any other way to go out, and I'm now returning from this place. So guys, I show you the impact of this rainfall that happened last week, rainy storm. I'm returning back to my motorcycle. Okay, here I just met some policemen out here. You see, they're riding back, and they say I have to be, it's not safe, I have to be moving out from here, yes, as quick as possible. This I did some photography out here. I mean, I know I have to be safe. You see, this is one of the best road I used to ride. And every time I used to ride, and only a couple of weeks ago I was flying my drone, and all of a sudden it hit the branch of the tree and that fell down and broken apart. And those are the cops right here. They just mentioned me it's not safe out here to stay. So I'm just moving from here. I'm just taking my motorcycle back home. They're working on it, chopping down the trees. All these things done here. Oh yeah, John Deere. Look at this beast. Okay guys, now we find out why the road is closed. And it is still under construction. Yes, it's been 2 years, and we always think developed country always get action to rebuild, reconstruct what's damaged, right? But I haven't seen that impact on Castro Valley, California. Maybe they don't have any kind of interest around this area, but this road is literally one of the popular and famous road because it connects multiple cities like Moraga, Oakland, Danville. Also, this road takes you to the Anthony Sabot staging area where you can camp and where you can park your RV, where you can hike, where you can do picnicking, right? That is why this road is really important, and the twists and turns for the riders is one of the most valuable part of this road. That's why I'm here today, just to talk about it. And I'm pissed because it's been like 2 years, and I have heard from a couple of my viewers that it's still under construction and they are trying to open end of this month, but I haven't seen any changes yet. Rather than this delivery, construction material delivery truck, which seems like plus point for me. So I'm hoping this road will open soon. If you are new to our channel and if you want to explore with us, then must subscribe and follow us. You may have watched our M209 review video from Amit Pokhrel. We rode on this road, which was really nice. It's so cool that you can see, right? I'm hoping they will reconstruct it and open it as soon as possible. Before I go for a ride, I want to ask you just one question. What makes you think this took 2 years and more to reconstruct? What will be the reason? Answer me on the comment. I will check you on the next video. Thank you for staying till now, and thank you for watching ChAm Riders. We'll be happy to share all the videos that we create throughout our journey. So stay tuned and stay watching us. We'll be back with the next vlog.